Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one.
Good day, good day, good day, good day. My cat is sneaking out from under the doggone couch. Okay, so I'm doing a slight get ready with me, but I've already put on my faux leather pants, my lace slash cami. It's a little lace up here. I get hot fast, so I don't like to put on too much clothing. I have on like a bodysuit girdle. So I'm all dressed. I'm going to spray my Aeropostale Peachy Daisy. I like to put it on my hat because I like for people to smell me. And then I'm going to use the Kimberly Sweet Peach. Yeah, only upper body action. Yeah. So I have on the shoes. Let me get my grandson's truck out of the way. I have on the boots. I'm sorry, I'm still ghetto with my videos, but she cute. She cute. I'm gonna go downstairs and put the trench coat on.
Hey, K.